Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to English classroom for standard 7. Student, we are learning poem number 2.1 from a railway carriage. We have solved from English workshop page number 23, exercise number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I think you have written all the notes in your notebook. Now come to exercise number 6. In exercise number 6, it is asking read the following. See in your textbook page number 23, exercise number 6. Read the following. Charging along like troops in a battle, fly as thick as driving rain. All these are the comparison. In these two comparison, the word like is used in first sentence or first line of the poem, and in the second line, fly as thick as driving rain, the comparison is done with the words using as. Charging along like troops in a battle. In this, the comparison is done with the troops of the battle and the train which is charged like troops. In second sentence, it says it fly as thick as driving rain. The train is moving as fast like it is as it is flying, and it is looking like a driving rain. So in these two lines, the poet has compared the two qualities with each other using the words like and as. It is asking in exercise number 6, using your imagination, write one or two comparisons each with like and as. It is asking to use your own sentences using the word like and as. These words are used to compare two things. So you have to write the words using like and as is. See here. For example, I have written on your screen, she sings like a bird. वो चिड़िया की तरह गाती है. A girl and her singing is compared with a bird by using the word like. She sings like a bird. The star is shining like a diamond. The star is shining. The star is compared to a diamond by using the word like. The star is shining like a bird. So this is called a comparison. Secondly, the words as is also used to compare two things. For example, you are as beautiful as a flower. तुम उतने ही खूबसूरत हो जितना कि एक फ्लावर होता है. Here you are compared with a flower by using the words as. My sister is as busy as a bee. He is comparing his sister to a bee. She keeps herself busy as the bee keeps herself busy as a bird. So these are called comparisons. I think you have understood how two qualities are compared by using the words like and as. Now come to exercise number 7. In exercise number 7, it is asking write about the sights. Write about the sights you may see from a bus or an aeroplane. You have to write your railway journey what you see from a compartment of a train, what sights, what scenes you see, which people you meet in a train. You may write it in the form of a short poem also. It is an homework for you. I am giving you some hints how to write your experience about the journey by a train. You may write like this. Listen to me, but you will write it by yourself. It is a homework for you. I have traveled a lot by a train. हम अक्सर ट्रेन से सफ़र करते हैं. I vividly remember one short train journey through the mountainous region. The train moves around the mountains, hills. We see so many sights outside from the train. The things that I saw from the train were both natural and man-made. बहुत सारी हमको ऐसी चीज़ें नज़र आती है जो नेचुरल है, जो पहले से ही अल्लाह ताला की बनाई हुई है, और कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी नज़र आती है जो इंसानों ने बनाई हैं. I saw the trees which were snow clad. You may write, because you are imagining that what you are looking outside. You can imagine that your train is moving from the mountains. There are pine trees which are covered with snow clad, and small human settlements. There are huts in which the human beings live. Small villages and town you see through the train. I saw dark tunnels through which our train passed. The dark tunnels come when there is darkness all around. No passenger can see each other. I saw people standing near the rail bridge and mountains covered with snow. I could also catch a glimpse of some wild animals. Some animals are also seen through the railway carriage. So, you may write your journey. You may describe many other things. Not like that, but you can imagine anything. I have imagined that I have seen the mountains which are snow clad and the trees, but you can imagine any other thing, and by using your own imagination you can write your experience in any way. It is an homework for you. There is also one exercise number 8. Find and read other poems of R.L. Stevenson using the internet. Find other poems of R.L. Stevenson, very famous poet of English, and you can also read other poems. Find other rhythmic poems about rain in English or other languages. It is for your self-study. We shall stop here. Till then, Allah Hafiz and goodbye.